Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to convert your Microsoft Word file into PDF in offline mode, then this video is for you. Here you can see my Microsoft Word document. Now I want to convert this document into PDF. So for this, open your Google Chrome browser and type here PDF add-ins for Microsoft Word 2007. And from the first link, 2007 Microsoft Office add-in, click on it. And from here you can download this add-in. So from here you can download this add-in. I have already downloaded. Here you can see save as PDF and XPS. So double click on it and just install this add-in. Now open your Word document. When you click on save as, so here you can see the add-ins is now installed in your Microsoft Word. So from here click on PDF or XPS and give the file name. For example, my file name is testing, and here you can see the save as type is PDF. So now the file is converted or saved in PDF in offline mode. So here is my PDF file. So like this you can convert your Microsoft Word document into PDF. Thank you for watching the video.